Hello dear students, welcome to PNMRC High School e-learning classes. I am Shalini Mishra, your OC teacher. Today we are going to start chapter 1 and the title of the chapter is Nature, Purpose and Scope of Business. Let's start the introductory part of the chapter. Students, as we all knew that economic activities keep trade and commerce alive or smooth running, whether it's a city or a village. A potter, a blacksmith, a weaver, a cobbler, everyone gets monetary returns through the economic activities. Whether it's a big or small business unit, everyone is working for the monetary gain or with an objective to earn income. Business is an economic activity conducted with the objective of profit. Besides business, profession and employment are also the types of economic activity. Dear students, in this chapter we will take above topics one by one. First of all, we'll study about economic activities. Human activities. In every society, people undertake various activities to satisfy their needs. These activities can broadly be classified into two groups: economic activities and non economic activities. Economic activity: keeping yourself engaged to earn something in return is economic activity. For example, doctor, teacher, driver, sweeper, or clerk are all engaged in economic activities. If you want to simplify it, we mean that person who are engaged themselves with an objective of income, or if a person is getting income in return of their work done, is known as economic activity. Economic activity satisfy our wants. By economic activities, we can satisfy our needs and wants. Second, means to earn livelihood. Economic activities are a medium to earn our livelihood or earn our daily needs. Third, it is concerned with production, exchange and distribution of goods and services. Now we'll study non-economic activity. What non-economic activity is? Activities which do not have any economic motive and are performed with a feeling of love, sympathy, humanity and patriotism are known as non-economic activities. For example, playing, dancing, giving donations. In a simple way, we can say if a teacher is teaching for charity and does not get any monetary gain, can be called as non-economic activity. Economic activities may be further divided into three categories: types of economic activities: business, profession, and employment.